Hello, my name is Stephen Weyerhild and I'm an IPS logistical specialist here at KLS. Today I'll be showing you how to use the MicronMapper. What will be included is the laptop, the MicronMapper itself, the charger for the laptop, the Vita shade guides, the lens cleaning wipes, the perforated cans that will include both the scan bodies, its bases, and its screwdriver, the stone model for accuracy, and the power source for the MicronMapper. To set up the MicronMapper, plug it into the adapter, plug the adapter into an outlet, and then plug the USB into the laptop. To insert the scan bodies, they can be found in the perforated can. You can start by screwing on the healing caps. They can be tightened with fingers or with a screwdriver that can be found in the other perforated can. The scan bodies can be placed by pressing forward and then pressing back, and they'll snap on. Today we're using a maxillary model, IPS pre-prosthetic model. And open the laptop, the password for it should be provided in the shipment, but once you've accessed the laptop, go ahead and open the MicronMapper app on the left side of the screen. In the top left, enter the patient's name. Select the appropriate jaw, and then under Auto in the middle, select the amount of abutments. And then you're ready to start scanning. To start the scanning process, hold on the black button on the top, and it's recommended that the patient does wear eye protection as it is bright. Keep it about a foot away from the scan bodies, and it takes about 10 seconds to complete the scan. On the software, there's a green zone on the right that you'll want to keep it in, and it'll make a noise once it's done scanning. If you open the MicronMapper data folder over here, it will automatically upload those scans here, and then you can go ahead, open Edge, IPS gate will automatically open, and you can make the case from there. So, thank you. To take off the scan bodies, press the top forward, return it to the can, and then you can screw off the healing caps with your fingers or with a screwdriver, and then return it to the can as well. To clean the MicronMapper, use the lens cleaning wipes that are provided. For the shell itself, use an alcohol-based wipe. For cleaning the scan bodies, it's recommended to do it within 15 minutes after use. You can place all the parts in the perforated can and run tap water through it for about 30 seconds. You may spill the parts into its lid to do brushing. Return them once you're ready to clean it with an enzyme-based solution. If you have an ultrasonic tank, it's recommended that you use that, and you can run it for about 5 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. If you do not have an ultrasonic tank, then you can immerse the parts in an enzyme-based cleaning solution for no more than a minute. Once that's completed, thoroughly rinse it with DI water for about a minute, and then once that's completed, you may clean it with a dry soft cloth. Once that's completed, sterilize it, and then it's ready to return. To repackage the MicronMapper, place it back in, wrap the cord clockwise around the phone. This helps protect the MicronMapper's fiber optic cable, which is why we ask for it to be returned this way. Please do not put the laptop in the Pelican case. For returning, use the return label that's included in the package. You can cover the previous shipping label and use the package that it came in. Thank you.